Hello gang, so I'm going to show you how I do my pedicure at home, including press-ons and keeping your toes looking cute without going to the salon. Honestly, doing my own pedicures at home is a great way for me to save money and maintain my beauty routine at home, because going to the salon, girl, it adds up quickly. But with the right routine, I can have a nice polished look that look like I've been at the salon and save my coins, because honey, this financial journey is no joke. After removing my prior press-ons, I like to prep my feet by soaking them in warm water and Epsom salt, girl, the favorite part, the best part, and put on some cuticle remover just to soften up the cuticles and the skin to help make it easier for the cleanup process when we gotta remove all that dead skin. After soaking my feet, I like to gently push back the cuticles and clean around the nail bed and just get all that nasty gunk off. If you do wear press-ons, this step kind of helps allow the press-ons to look more natural on the cuticles, depending on the size of the press-ons. After cleaning up the cuticles, I like to go in and get these heels, girl. When I mean my heels are like a problem area for me, get those heels because they will get dry and they'll get cracked in the summertime, and we want the heels to look amazing. So I also like to exfoliate a little bit. This is a woman black owned brand. I will put the information in the description box if you're interested. The scrub has a nice oil base, so it's perfect. Now back to the nails, we're just gonna go in and lightly buff the nail bed. Just make sure we get any oils off, any shine that's on the nail, as well as clip the toenails, file the nails to your favorite shape. If you like them oval, square, however you desire. Just make sure we're gonna have some healthy toenails is what the vibe is, okay? And if you are doing press-ons, that's very important because you want to have a good grip for your glue. After I file the nails, I do clean them off with some type of alcohol and then apply a base coat gel polish to my nails, because I like to apply that. Even if you would like to put color, you can put color or whatever, but I like to apply a base coat, and then I'm just going to go in with my nails of choice. I'm going to do these black press-ons. This is the first time I'm actually using these, and I love to stick with my good glue that I get from the beauty supply store as well. I did realize that the nails are a bit short for the big toe, but it's okay. I was like, I'm just going to file it down. We're going to wear it, rock it, make it look good, and then we'll try a different set of toes next month. We don't know, but make sure you're subscribed to the channel. Make sure you like the video, so I know you like videos like this. And we will be having another pedicure video trying some new nails that I found on Amazon. So if you would like to see that, make sure you thumbs up the video. After I applied my nails and got the right size, I then applied my top coat to the nails just to give it some shine, and then sit under the LD light. After I apply the top coat, I then apply some more alcohol just to clean up the sticky residue and cuticle oils on the cuticles of my toes. I do put in with my heel mask. You can also apply this before you do your toes, your polish, but I like to apply it afterwards, because then I will be applying the lotion and just rubbing it in. But I let that sit for a little bit, take it off, and I rub in the lotion. Then I apply some oil and moisturize these feet, and once we're done, we will have a fresh salon looking pedicure. Okay, you just save your coins, sis. And I like beauty routines like this because it helps you maintain your self-care and be smart about your money. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe below. Let me know if you will use tips like this. Bye.